हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है आपका प्यारा सा चैनल एग्जाम ट्रिकर्स पे। जैसे कि आज हम लोग एनटीपीसी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन आपका पहले प्रीवियस ईयर में आया हुआ है और कुछ हम लोग ऐड किए हैं, जैसे आ सकता है इम्पोर्टेंट है इस एग्जाम के लिए एनटीपीसी, और हम लोग इसको सेट वाइज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आज हम लोग का है पहला सेट वन क्वेश्चन। व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इन प्लांट? आंसर डी, water, oxygen and carbohydrate. For which of the following is Ohm's law applicable? Answer is C, conductor. The dead cell of or tissue inside a living body is called necrosis. Answer is C. The first nuclear power plant set up in India in answer is B, Tarapur. Which disease has been eradicated completely? Answer is C, smallpox. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? इसमें से आपका कौन सा वेक्टर क्वांटिटी नहीं है? आंसर है स्पीड. The topic of cancer does not pass through. Answer is B, through Pakistan. Which of the following country the Amazon river flow? Answer is Brazil, C. In which of the following tongue are the cell for short test? Answer is front. The cup-shaped mouth of volcano called crater. Which of the following river is not related to Punjab? Answer is Tapti. For which place was the first train started? Answer is B, Bombay. Which is the top layer of Earth's surface called? Answer is crust. The Battle of Haldigati was fought between Akbar and Rana Pratap. Who built Khujaro Temple? Answer is Chandela Rajput. Which among the following is called Napoleon of India because of his victories? Answer is Samudragupta. Where are the remains of Portuguese culture are found in India? Answer is A, Goa. Which part of Constitution talks about establishment of India as a welfare state? Answer is Directive Principle of State Policy. Petrology is the study of rocks. Operation Pawan was a peacekeeping operation by which of the following neighboring country? Answer is Sri Lanka. For computer IC chip usually made up of silicon, KMNOH can be used for antimicrobial. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer is C, Warren Hastings. Who is called the puppet of New India? Answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The fundamental rights are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? It is mentioned in Part 3. The cause of tetanus is Clostridium. Which river passes through most country? The answer is B, Danube River. The Kepler law of planetary motion states that the square of periodic table is equal to semi-major axis cube. The velocity of sound in humid is higher than in dry because of humid air density is less than the dry air. Major commercial crop of India is cotton, oilseed, jute and sugarcane. Who is known as father of nuclear science? Homi J. Bhabha. Hari Krishna was the royal poet in which of the following king? आंसर इज समुद्रगुप्ता। How many times can a president of India stand for re-election for his post? Answer is D. As often as he wants. जितना भी चाहे उतना बार वो अपनी पोस्ट के लिए खड़े हो सकते हैं। As per new democracy rule in Jammu Kashmir, the power to issue domicile certificate has to be vested with the D. Revenue officer. Treaty of Open Skies is associated with. Answer is D. Unarmed aerial surveillance flight. The sovereignty of India lies C. in the people of India. Which of the following protein is found in nail? In nail we found keratin. Which of the following pair is not compatible? As we see, Article 17 is related to untouchability. जैसे कि आर्टिकल 7 अनटचेबिलिटी से कनेक्शन है, तो वो हमारा ओड हो गया। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग एग्जाम क्रैकर्स। एंड अगर आप लोग नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए, ताकि हम लोग आपको इसी तरह अच्छे वीडियो देते रहें और आपको प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग करते रहें। थैंक यू।